These true tales show how a single wrong keystroke can turn a quiet evening into a cascade of comic chaos. A message meant for a neighbor about a lost cat instead landed with a stranger who shared their dinner plans. Another ping about surprise party logistics caused the host's cousin to reveal the guest list to someone utterly innocent. In yet another case, a workout update text became an accidental confession to a stranger who had borrowed a towel once. These misfires, captured in real life, remind us that humor often arrives on misdirected messages wearing a friendly, redialed smile.